HVAC people!
Alright. So I got a unit back there. It's 85 degrees in the house. It says new house, old unit. But the condenser and the blower running. Looked like the compressor was running also. So I turned the power off at the thermostat, so it's probably trying to reset. This is a 2000 model train. Try to figure out what's going on with it. But when I came up, I know at least the condenser fan was running. I'm not really sure about the compressor, but it did sound like the compressor was running. Thought it'd be turned on by now, so there you go. Alright, so it's definitely at least low on refrigerant. There's something going on with that orifice. So it's about 90-some degrees out here, so got -3 sub cooling, 19 psi on that side, suction side. So these are the spine coil. I wish it was a disconnect out here. It look like it is. Make sure that evaporator coil not frozen. Hard to see. Okay, the furnace is 11 and 13, so I'm gonna turn this one off. Make sure it's not frozen. Run out there. Get my flashlight.
Grotto's large table is reserved for Monday lunch. So we could do an early dinner at Grotto's or 3 p.m. lunch at Lorenzo's. Okay, so 3 p.m. at Lorenzo's coming now.
Alright. We're hot up here. So see if I can do a leak search. If not, probably be a gas and go today, and I come back next week. And it's one of them Allstyle coil. Trying to see if there's some screws up in here where I can take a look at this coil. I'm gonna go run to my truck. At least it's not iced up though. Not bad. Getting a kind of dirt over here. Dang. Copper line, I can't reach up there. Got some down here, so it leaked right here. That way it leaking there. There you go. All right. Man, when I say it's hot up here, I know you can see the sweat dripping. Let's see what I try to put my head over in there. It's hard to see it, but Alright. So I don't know if the camera got it or not, but the way this thing positioned and that copper, I can't get my head down in there to see it. Maybe when I video the like I said, it's the weekend now. I can't do nothing but charge it up. But I'm going to let's see if we can replace this coil. I tell them that the coil is leaking. And, it's an old R22 system. See if I can get a change out. Or at least evaporator. Evaporator and condenser. 410A system. You might want to go with a furnace too. They say it's just a vacation home. Alright, so like I said, I'm just gonna charge it up so they can have some cool, so they won't have to get a hotel room this weekend. Alright, so I'm gonna get the refrigerant scale. Quick story, I think I got some more in here, but I had a customer. I came out, he gave me this little bottle of R22 refrigerant.